Let's go walking. Let's go walking with the folks. Nice and warm, Margaret. I still forgot to get the temperature. It's warm though. They're always in a hurry to get them back because they're always something back there. Not always, but sometimes.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Oh, Barkley taking a different way. Come over here, Lucy. Lucy. Follow Barkley. Little wind blowing, pie pans banging. What do you smell, girl? You smelling something? Oh, come on, don't be doing that. Lucy, come on. Lucy, don't. Oh, forget her. What are you doing, Barkley? She don't like to be by herself anyway outside. Hey girl, you're wrapping around me. Come on, Barkley. Nice sunny day. It's supposed to be like in the about 78 Fahrenheit the next 3 days, 3 or 4 days. Sunny, the AC cut on. The birdies. Birdies been staying in this bush. Oh, they got that bird feeder empty already. They don't touch the one in the back. There's not a bush in the back. They like to hide in the bushes. Sometimes they'll get up there on the gutters. And look at all this seed they waste. I'm gonna buy a tray to put under there. Look at that, there's a molehill. Mole been digging around there. See all that bird poop down over there in the rocks? They poop like crazy. Right. Oh, he's doing something. Good boy, Barkley. Uh-oh. By walking down the street. Lucy, Barkley. Hey, both of you. How you doing? Come here. Both of you. You don't scare him. Come on, come on, come on. Lucy, do your job. Come on. We're going in the house if you don't have to use it. Come on.